Good morning, dear students. Today we will start a new quarter 4. We will have chapter 12, lesson 1, the view from Earth. So looking at the sky with our eyes is called naked eye astronomy. Okay. Next we will know the Earth movement. The Earth have two main movements, spinning and rotation. What is the difference between spinning and rotation? The spinning of the Earth around itself, or the movement of the Earth around its axis every 24 hours, that leads to the day and night, is called spinning, and it moves from the west to the east. And while the Earth rotation is the movement of an Earth around the Sun every 365 and the 4 seasons, winter, summer, spring and autumn. What is meant by constellations? Constellations means the patterns of stars. The stars are collected together to resemble people, animals or objects such as hunters or dragons in the sky. Used by the ancient to divide the sky into 88 regions. It helps the scientists to communicate with others. What is meant by stars spectrum? Each star have its own spectrum, releasing its own spectrum. It emits its own spectrum, okay? So we have radio waves. The radio waves, we can use it to study the cold and dark regions of the space. Infrared waves, we use it to study star-forming regions where the stars begin to be formed. Ultraviolet waves can be used to study the young stars, the newly formed stars. X-ray and gamma rays are used to study the high-energy gas jet. What is meant by high-energy gas jet? Means the objects in the space that moves in a very, very high speed. They are called high-energy gas jet. What is telescope? How we use telescope? Telescope is used because they collect more light than the human eye. Okay, the range of wavelength that a star emits is called the star's spectrum. You can assess yourself with these questions until the next session. Number 1, how might an ancient constellations have helped people in the past? Number 2, differentiate between Earth spinning around itself and rotation of the Earth around the Sun. Number 3, compare and contrast between naked eye astronomy and using telescopes to detect our outer space. Thank you. Goodbye.